GT2, GT4, the car that I said no to shows up again. The city of lights. You're going the opposite way, man. You'll get hit by a car like anything, girl. Like, it's the simplest things to avoid death, and people don't do it. Like, seriously. Seriously. Seriously? Don't worry, not gonna run you down, girl. Homie! Homie! Dude risked it all just to cross the street. Oh, he's chasing the tail, that's what he's doing. He's chasing the tail. Coronavirus! Coronavirus! That's my pro debut right there. And this is my riding and singing. I think I'm losing my mind. ¿Qué pasa, chica? Tú eres grande, grande, muy grande, mucho grande. And sometimes I ask myself, why am I the way that I am? Judgmental, conceited, cocky. Why? What gives me the right? What gives me the right? Whoa, hey, what you driving on, man? It's an old school Beamer. Ripping it, twerking it, skirt, skirting. I can't do it too like my throat hurts when I do stuff like that. Yeah, don't even. None of you guys, don't even. This is my lane. Don't even. Hell yeah. Hey. Hey. Whip it, whip it, whip it. Hey. And this time we can go dirty on them. You hear that, MILF? But we're not gonna, not yet. I'm gonna say whatever dirty stuff I got within me for Supercar Alley. No, Lambo. Okay, he's made the wrong person angry. Me. Well, not really. He's trying to get up on us. Get up on her. Get up on them. Get on it. Come on, son. I don't know. So many thoughts in my head right now. Chick, you could have went this entire time and you didn't go. That's on you. Never mind, she couldn't have because people are turning. Sorry, chick, on me. Get on me. That Lambo as well. Racing it. Yes, I stopped to see if she was looking. She was. I thought it was funny. Just wanted to see her reaction. That's why I made the U-turn a little bit quieter. My honest opinion, Lambo's on that second light. That's where I put my money at. That second light. Because I see some white thing as well, but I think that's his daughter. I can still catch up to the Lambo, but what sucks, it's not going to be in this area, so what's the point? Like, I can barely, I'm barely hitting the throttle and it's going fast. I wonder how much he has to do for him to go that fast. Never mind, no Lambo. I was going to gun it, but I wanted to see if someone was there or not. Someone was there or not. But no, he would have gunned it if he was somewhere, anywhere there. But he didn't. Alright, so yeah, he probably slipped through the lights because he was going fast. That's okay. Dodge Viper guy, man, I love you, bald-headed dude. Makes me happy to see you. So happy to see you. Really, man, that was nice. That was nice. I'll give it to him. That was Shmekshi. If I was his age and a girl, I'd be throwing at it. I'd be throwing it at him. I'd be throwing it at him. Okay, so Lambo's even further ahead. Is it? The problem is, it's a Lambo. These sports cars are so small. It's a bitsy, teeny, weeny polka dot bikini. That is loud and not proud at all. Slimy green. What you got going on with the bedazzled seat? Okay, I don't like bedazzling, alright? But the only bedazzling I'll accept is the bedazzling. Bedazzled. That's the only one I'll accept out of anything. But like, anything else, nah. How is that fun to drive? Like, you're so close to the ground, fat tire, but like, can you even lean on it all the way? Like, legit question, can you lean? Oh my bad, she's screaming in like anything. Man, I wish I could just watch that Lambo drive because he zoomed real out of here, man. All these riders, not a single rider for me to clown on. Pounce on, drown on. Lambo, 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 no Lambo. If anything, the Lambo, if it came here, I'm gonna bet my money it turned left. Speaking out of experience of white Lambos, they usually turn left. So we got a lot of riders around us. Not a single one. He's not ours on the other side. He's not ours. He's not ours. He's not ours. He's not ours. No one's ours. They're all just, basically they're like cars, alright? They're just like cars. They don't mean anything. That does not look cool. Stop pointing! How about you wear some gloves, take off your shorts, put on some leather pants, and I'm not saying like in a, you know, Michael Jackson kind of way, but like, come on, gear up. But it happens in a split second. Hey, put your shirt back on! Ain't nobody wanna go. Lambo.
Mama told me before you leave.
He's got a 24 on it. Yeah, I'm not going back there, man. That's that. We're going forward. Not going back again. I know it's a Lambo and everything, yeah, but just not feeling it right now. Keep making you. Right in the Dragon Balls, but I keep making Uis, U-turns, Uranus, I don't know, and it just doesn't do anything for me. So we're gonna keep chugging along up ahead, see where it takes us. We got 2 Ferraris, 3 Ferraris, 4 Ferraris, and a Rolls Royce parked up in there, and another Lambo. S1000 guy, you made a Ui, all right. A bunch of people, a bunch of riders. Guerrilla gang, that's what the word came. We had a Porsche, that's a guy I know, he speeds a lot, and then we had another yellow Lambo. But look at that, I'm not going through all that. I'm sorry, I just can't, that's too much. And I haven't even seen the beach the way I want to. So we're gonna head to where I wanna go. And I've been riding for almost 3 hours now, so like I'm almost spent. And as always, chose the wrong lane. And I think I see what I wanna see. A Lambo. I was just about to say that a Lambo, if anything, it has to be here. Is that a Lambo? No. I gotta concentrate, wait. Camaro, I thought it was a Lambo from the side. Very, very to the side. Yeah, he turned somewhere. Don't know where though. Hey, I'm sad. Alright, so we missed out on everything basically today. I apologize, man. I really do to my ladies and my men. Is this wrong choices? Just a total mess. Just a total mess. But hey, I enjoyed. Hopefully you guys did too. You told me this. Doesn't that mean up yours? What does that mean? Wouldn't hurt to, you know, have a little super on one side and the other side. And knowing that I won't be able to go out tomorrow because it's going to be raining from tonight. And then the whole, not going to be able to go next week. Hopefully I'll still be able to go. Because yesterday it rained, it was a Friday. And then by today, this morning, it cleared up. So, it was nice. So I feel like if it rains next Friday, we could probably still go. Hopefully. I am hopeful. I honestly thought today was going to be an easy ride, an easy day, because, you know, lockdown, quarantine, all that stuff, but everyone's out and about, so it's whatever. I keep saying so and whatever, but it's whatever. Because I'm sick. GT2, GT4, the car that I said no to shows up again. Alright, I'll take you. Give me you and I'll take you.
V4.
Mama told me.
First time I saw a V4 in public. Oh, I was wrong. GT3. How was I wrong? I'm never wrong. You know what? Added the coupe. Convertible.
When you're out on your own, a million miles from home.
Matte finish. We got an Aston Martin, not Corvette behind us. Another one. That's a GT3 RS.
Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home.
I don't got enough about out there. That dude up ahead is riding on the lane so the GT3 can't go ahead. Stay in your lane, bikers. What the hell is your problem? But yeah, that was the first time I ever saw a V4 out. Ever. Besides mine. GT3, make it loud and proud. Come on, man. Do something. A mini gap in front of you, take that and just impress me. Come on, impress me. Should I have that turn for the Lambo before? I know I should have, but like, you guys are on the damn road. Single file lane, man. You're always on the damn road. But don't cycle on the damn road, Ferrari. Alright, I think we're gonna call it a day because my next meal is coming up, even though we're in quarantine, lockdown, isolation. We still gotta get our meals in on time. So I'm gonna try heading home, Ferrari, California. It's just not our day. So we tried. I came down over here to see the waves. You gotta see the waves. Even though when I was here, I wasn't looking at the waves. Even when I was coming back, I was looking at the waves. On this way, I was looking at the GT3. On the way back, I was thinking about why wasn't I looking on that side. And because of that, I didn't look at the waves. I don't know. Either way, it is what it is. I'm happy to be out. I'm happy to, you know, make content for you guys, but at the same time, I really want to put Broly against some real things. The only thing it's been going up against is anything but exotics. So I don't like them. You don't like. I don't like.